In this video, we're going to look at some terms that we're going to see in statistics, which is the study of data and numbers. And statistics is just one of those topics that comes up in math, kind of here and there. You're going to first learn it in probably middle school, and then you'll see it again maybe in high school or in college. Okay, so these four terms are very common, and they're pretty much the simplest things that we could look at when we're looking at data. So it's the range, the mean, the median, and the mode. The first that we'll focus on is the range. Now we have a definition here. The definition of the range is just the difference between the smallest and largest numbers. Okay, so here in blue we have a set of data, okay, numbers, we'll call it data, and it's kind of random. 8, 11, 4, 5, 8, 3, 5, 2, 8, 4, and 8. Okay, so just kind of random numbers. And to find the range, we're going to want to figure out the difference between the smallest number and the largest number. So at this point, we'll just kind of look through the numbers again really quickly. We'll try to find the one that's the smallest and the one that's the biggest. So you probably already could tell that the largest number is 11. And the smallest number is, looks like 2. All right, so if we want to find the difference between 11 and 2, the smallest and the biggest number, that means we're going to subtract. Okay, so we'll just do 11 minus 2. Remember, the word difference means subtract. And that would give us 9. And that's all we do. That's the range. So the range of these numbers is 9. That just kind of tells us how far apart the smallest number is from the biggest. So that's the range. The next definition is for the mean. The mean, it says to add up all the numbers and divide by how many there are. Okay, so this one takes a little bit of work on your calculator usually. So we're going to add up all of these numbers, and I already did it ahead of time. Okay, but you can try it out if you want. When you add up all of these numbers, you should get 66. And then we need to divide by how many numbers there are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers total. Okay, so we added them all up already. We got 66. And now we have to divide by how many there were, which was 11. And when we do that on our calculator, we're going to get 6. So the mean of this set of data is 6. And the mean, just as a little side note, the mean is also known as the average. Okay, so sometimes you'll see it called the average. Sometimes you'll see it called the mean. It's the same thing. Just add them all up and divide by how many there are.